Ilco RT116 number 19 Adfield Corporation. Alright, around there is the right above. Number 19 Adfield Corporation. Is the roof tender crane. Right above. Is the right around there is the right above. Kubilco RK116. Is the RK116. Is the free heavy equipment. Right above there is the get down there is the right above. Right above. Is the heavy equipment. Right above there is the Belco. Right above is the right above is the Cobelco. Is the right above. Right above, yes, is the rough tender crane. Right above is the LYNX 116. Right above is the Cobelco. Right above there is the Cobelco. Is the good time there is the 5 4 3 2 above there is the Cobelco. Is the roof tender crane. Is the right above. Right above is the right around there is the Cobelco. Right above. 5 4 3 2 1 and go.